Crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew face mask using a square cloth and 2 rubber bands. Now, if you don't have something fancy looking like this, it's totally okay. You can take an old t-shirt, cut it up, old tea towel, cloth napkins, bath towels, whatever you have lying around, even a bed sheet or a pillowcase. So, when I have a square piece of cloth, right, I'm going to find our center point, which is right about here. Then take the bottom and fold it up to around that center point. Do the exact same thing at the top. Take the top, fold it down, crease that in. Then we're going to flip the entire thing around and repeat the process. So, bottom, pull that up to the center, top, fold this down to the center. Flip it around, and then we're going to grab our 2 rubber bands, slip one on the right side and one on the left side. Easy peasy. So then we're going to find a center point, which is right about right here. Take this, fold it over to that line, and do the exact same thing on the left side. Take this, fold it to the center, and give it a little tug. Flip it around, and your face mask is done with the pleat at the center.